Imagine a canvas painted with nature's finest hues, where every sunrise brings a full symphony of color, awakening the soul to the beauty of life.
अगर आप पहाड़ों से कंधे, सूरज से आंखें और बादलों से कदम मिलाकर चलने की तमन्ना रखते हैं, तो आपको या तो एक खूबसूरत ख्वाब देखना होगा या अरुणाचल आना होगा. So now we welcome you all to witness the project minder of Class 5 Bottle Brush based on Arunachal Pradesh. Neena, Nideka.
I think that's Arunachali language.
Yes, sir, you get it right. But what does it mean? Neena means hello, how are you? Nideka means are you fine? Sir, please have this.
It was a tasty.
This is betel leaf and betel nut. People of Arunachal Pradesh, welcome the guests this way. Please have this, sir.
What is this?
It is a bomb. It is made up of rice. People in Arunachal Pradesh drink this instead of tea and coffee. Please come in, sir.
Children, what are you doing?
We are burning the trees and shrubs.
Burning the trees and shrubs, but why?
Next, we will dry them up and turn them into ashes.
Ashes?
Further, we will use it as a manure. We will cultivate the land to grow rice, millets only for a few years. When the soil's productivity will decline, we will leave it and choose a new site.
I think that's June cultivation.
Yes.
Do the farmers of Arunachal Pradesh face any problem?
Yes, of course. Sometimes we face financial issues and sometimes the bad weather becomes an issue for us. Although we knew that it leads to ecological imbalance, yet due to heavy rains and harsh climate conditions, we have adopted this age-old practice.
Oh, why are you wearing this jacket?
I am dressed as Tapimra, an Indian climber from Arunachal Pradesh to scale Mount Everest, and he belonged to Tagan tribe. He is missing while he was attending the peak of Chimu with his assistant.
Did the government try to trace him?
Yes, but they got their belongings and clothes only.
Oh, you look like Kiran Rijeju.
Yes, sir, you are right. I am an Indian politician serving as the Union Minister of Parliamentary Affairs and Minority Affairs. I have become MP in Lok Sabha from Arunachal Pradesh.
Wow, such a great person.
Thank you, sir.
Children, what is this?
Sir, this is the famous food of Arunachal Pradesh.
So, can we taste it?
Yes, of course.
It was quite tasty.
Thank you, sir. So now I would like to take a moment of silence to present our dance on Arunachal Pradesh.